What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, today we are going to get into multiple ways and multiple websites that are going to help you make at least $100 today. And I say at least because if you do this the right way, you could be making well over $100 a day. And we'll go over how to do that in a second. But before we get started, what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to the channel, and I need you to ring the notification bell. And the reason I need you to do that is because I make this channel for entrepreneurs and people who are trying to make a full-time income online and get the financial freedom they want and deserve and live a lifestyle that they truly are passionate about. So I drop tips and tricks and show you guys ways to make money online because it's something that I think everybody should be doing. It's something that everybody can do. It could be a little daunting looking at all of the different ways and scenarios. So I put them all on this channel so that you have an opportunity to look through them, see which ones you like the most. It's a really good starting point. It's a really good money making skills in here. There's a lot of information, and I think that it could benefit every single person that watches this video. So I am going to get into 6 different websites that you can start today. Literally, you can open your laptop or computer or even your phone on some of these, and you can get started making money right now. And you can make well over $100. 100 is just the starting point. It's a benchmark. It's a goal that you can easily achieve. Just so you can get that wind under your belt. That way you can feel confident in moving forward. But you can definitely make well over $100 a day, every single day, with these different websites that I'm about to show you. So stay to the end of the video and let's get into it. So the first site we're going to go to is a place called AdFly. Now, AdFly is a link shortening website. And what that does is that they'll pay you for every time someone clicks on your link. Not download, not, subscribe. No, like they literally just have to click the link and you're going to get paid from it. Now, the way to do it is you want to choose links and pair them with ideas and articles that people are going to click on. Something weird and wonky, or something that deals with relationships, or something that deals with health. These are the hot topics. These are the things that people actually watch. Everyone clicks on, the weird 10-toed frog, or how to find love in a desert, or listen to these 6 crazy sounds that you recognize. It's one of those things. People always click on that kind of stuff. So I would suggest that you choose articles or choose links that are clickable. And what happens is once you get the link, you come to AdFly, you shorten the link here, and it'll shrink it for you. They'll shrink the entire link into a short URL, because sometimes you go to a website like YouTube, or you go from a blog and the link itself is very, very long. It takes up a lot of characters, a lot of space. AdFly shortens that link so you can place it anywhere, and you would want to place that in a relevant place, a relevant spot on the internet, whether that be Twitter, whether that be a Facebook group, whether that be a blog or forum, maybe Reddit. You want to do it there, because it's just going to increase your chances of making money. But AdFly is one of the ways you can be making $100 every day, starting today. So I would suggest you get into it. It's very easy, very simple. It doesn't require any money to start at all, and it's very applicable and could grow exponentially, because if you get more than one link and put more than one link in multiple places, you're generating revenue in different streams, and you're diversifying your portfolio. So I would suggest that you go to AdFly and you can start making money that way. Now, another website you can go to is Flippa. Now, Flippa is an old school type of business plan. It's a commission-based business, or one of the ways you can make money on here is a commission-based business model, and that's basically similar to car salesmen or stockbrokers or things like that. You are the middle person for A and B. So, A is trying to get to B and B is trying to get back to A, or there's, a common need or interest. And you are the person that puts two and two together, and then you make a cut in between. All right. So, they're trying to get, $200 and they need to sell this for $200. You find the need and the want, you make it happen. You take $100 commission out of the $400 deal. Right. That's how it goes. Similar to car salesmen. Once you sell the car, the salesman gets a percentage of the price or the profit or the sale and things like that. So you can go to Flippa and you can buy and sell website domains. So people go and they come up with ideas of like, this would be a good website, name or business idea, and they will outright buy the name before the business is real. And they'll either continue on with it or they'll just hold it. But they come to Flippa and they basically sell the website domain because somebody else will think of this grand idea and they need that website domain. So they'll sell it for, who knows, $200, $400, sometimes $1,000, sometimes way more than that, depending on what the business is. And then what you could do here is you could also buy the website domain for cheap, for low, and then call 100 businesses and say, hey, I have this, would you be interested in it? Or you can call a business who's trying to, redesign their website, or they're going in a different direction with, their name or their rebranding. You could buy their website domain off of them, or buy their logo, or buy their graphic. This doesn't just go off of that. You can buy multiple things that businesses need off of this website, and then you can resell them for profit, or you can, make commission off of a transaction. There's many different things you can do on this website, but you buy something and then you sell it. All right. So you invest X amount of dollars into a new business, and then you then sell that business again for double, triple, quadruple the price. Okay. And that's what most people do on Flippa. Another website you can visit is Duda. So businesses need different website kinds. Like it's great to start off with a template, but sometimes you want a more customizable experience. Duda is a way that you can easily generate and create your own website. So if you are someone who knows how to operate this system, what you could do is you could sell a service to redesign a business's website. You can build it from scratch, and then you can have that be your business model, and they get paid thousands and thousands of dollars to do this kind of thing. So you can either lowball it, you can come in at a very reasonable price and beat out your competition, or you can go the route of, I have an elite plan and program, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to charge, what I believe I'm owed for this kind of service. So Duda is a place that you want to go and sell your website redesign services. Oftentimes people also need logo design, and you don't have to be a fantastic graphic designer to do that, or Photoshop or Illustrator or things like that. Sometimes people just need to update their banner or on their Facebook page or their Twitter accounts, or whatever platform they're occupying, and you could also sell that service and go to Canva. Canva has free design for everybody, and you also have templates as well. So you can go to Canva, and if they need, posters, if they need, Zoom backgrounds, presentation photos, like you could come here and you could make your own customizable experience that way. And you don't need, and all of this is free. They do have a paid subscription service that you can try, but you don't have to. All right. Fiverr is actually a really good location as well. Fiverr, you can come over here and sell anything you would like. You can sell your voiceover work. You can sell, picking up things. You can sell a moving service. This is a place where you can easily make $100. And lastly, you could also do affiliate marketing. So ClickBank is when you find a product you enjoy and that you like. And after you find that product, you go here, you see if you can, add it to your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is you have a link to a product. And if a person buys that product through your link, then you get money off of that. You get a commission. This is going back to the car salesman idea and the Flippa idea. So you're basically sponsoring a product. So you can get commission off of that product. Now, all of these things are applicable and can definitely make you at least $100 a day. But the problem is that you have to actively do them. We want to not do that. We want to make money while we sleep. We want money to come to us. So what I suggest that you do is I suggest you click the first link in my description, and that's going to take you to what my #1 recommendation to make money is. I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video. Because that means, you are very interested in making money online and having a career for yourself. This is great stuff. I would advise you to do this if you're trying to save up for something, or you're, looking just to pay an extra bill. But if you want to have full financial freedom over your life, then you want to go to the first link in my description. And that's going to take you to what I recommend be the best way to make money online. My name is Make Money Malik. Please be sure to like the video, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.